Check out this fantastic home in Scenic Estates. Here you'll find an open floor plan with primary suite on the main level, balcony stairway in the living room and spacious renovated kitchen. There are 3 additional bedrooms on the upper level and a large bonus room. The finished basement has a sizable family room, exercise room and additional room that could be used as a non-conforming bedroom, office or den. There are 3 full bathrooms and a half bath. The living room is filled with light and has vaulted ceilings and a beautiful fireplace. You are sure to love the designer updated paint throughout, upscale cork flooring and new kitchen. The home sits at the end of a cul-de-sac with a private backyard with a patio. This home is designed for living and is ready for you. Schedule your personal tour today.